Too much screen time can overload your mind. It's time for a digital detox. Set screen-free hours. Limit screen time, especially before bed. Give your brain a break. Replace scrolling with real activities. Read a book, go for a walk, or just sit in silence. Use the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It helps relax your eyes and mind. Try a social media break. Even a short break from social media can reduce stress and boost your mood. Unplug to unwind. Your mind will thank you. Thank you for watching. You are advised to reduce screen time for better mental health. This content is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional guidance.